right, so here we have an example where we need to simplify the complex fraction. We are going to stay with the Halloween theme on the orange. Maybe I should change the orange. I like change. Is this sparkling orange might be too much for the eye? Let's try it. Maybe I should also use thicker. Maybe. I'm not even sure anymore. All right. So we have a simplify the complex fraction. So the first thing I am going to do is, because I already have two fractions here, I'm just going to put this over 1. Okay. I'm just going to put it over 1. Okay. It's kind of slow. Okay. I don't like this orange. So let's just go back. And once everything is over 1, we are going to find the least common denominator, the LCD. So I am going to look at all my denominators, okay? Now, traditionally, I just skipped a step, my bad. So traditionally, before looking for the LCD, you need to check that all your denominators are factored out. In this case, this is just x, this is just 8x. I'm not going to factor that anymore. That's already good. So I went into finding the least common denominator. So in this case, you want everything that is in the bottom. So I see the number 8, so I want to have the 8. I see 1x, so I also want to have 1x. So my LCD is 8x. Now I go through the process now of multiplying each top and bottom by what is missing to be the LCD. So the first thing that I have here is 1. Well, 1 times what gives me 8x? 1 times 8x. So I am going to multiply top and bottom by 8x. All right. Then on the right side, I have an x. So what is that missing to be the 8x? Just the 8. Okay. Then on this side, we are missing 8x again. And then here we're missing the 8x. Whoop, there. On this side, it's just 8x. We're not missing anything. So that's it. Now, the next step will be, now that all my denominators are the same, I can simply just go ahead and cancel the denominators, okay, and rewrite the numerator. So now I have 8x times 2, that gives me 16x, minus, because I have negative 5 times 8 gives me negative 40. So right there, over 8x times x, that is 8x squared. And then I'm just going to bring down my 5. Okay. Now, at this point, you need to check if you can factor again. So I have 16x minus 40. So in 16 and 40, I can definitely divide by 2 and by 4. And also by 8. But in the denominator, I have this 8 and 5. I cannot break down that anymore. So why even bother simplifying the numerator if I cannot simplify the denominator, right? So this right here will be a good answer. However, if we were to factor out the GCF of the numerator, we're going to have 8 parentheses. So 16 divided by 8 gives me 2x minus 40 divided by 8 is just 5 over 8x squared plus 5. So, oops, my bad. Sorry, my phone. I am not starting this video again. So just know that's my ringtone. So yes, this is a good answer, and this is just us factoring the GCF from the numerator. All right. Let me go see what was that call about.